Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Francia, and today's video, as you can tell from the title, is a Sunday reset featuring my shower routine. So I hope this inspires you, lifts up your mood, you relax, and all of those good things. Get your drink, get comfy, and let's get into it, my love. So as you can see, I've covered my oral care. I went in with my water flosser. I love this thing down. It gets to the crooks and crevices. I also went in with the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗣 mouthwash. This is the only mouthwash I would vouch for. It leaves your breath smelling fresh literally all day. I scraped my tub. So before I got in the shower, I had a little soak in the tub. Here I'm going in with my 𝗦𝗏𝗢𝗚𝗬𝗏 Spinach and Kale Cleanser. I place this on my exfoliating brush and gently work back through, getting rid of any dull, dead skin cells. If the shower isn't steamed up like this for me to be twisting and turning like a rotisserie chicken, I don't want it. Now going in for battle with my exfoliating glove, applying the vitamin C exfoliating scrub here. I love this scrub, it smells so good. Listen, a bit technical difficulties here. I don't know why I'd be embarrassing myself on camera like this, but let me tell you, I'm gonna get my money's worth. The body wash that I used was the Method body wash, as well as a simple body wash. It is literally called Simple. I'll put it on the screen. The OG feminine wash. This helps restore your pH balance, and it keeps down their smelling and feeling fresh. Did I mention all day? This is the only thing that gets me right when I'm off my period. It restores everything, like a reset button. Patting my face dry, then I'm going in with the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Daily Moisturizer. And then I'm going in with this super peptide serum dull skin, Good Molecules, and my Vaseline lip balm. Moisturizing with the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 body lotion. Sealing that moisture with the Palmer's Cocoa Butter body oil. Then going with the boob cream to help with the elasticity in the boobs and the collagen as well. This oil smells so good, and it's not messy either. Like, it gets the job done. I feel moisturized all day, and I have severe dry skin. I don't know if I'm the only person that's like this, but I need to have me a sock on literally all day, every day. Now I'm making me a drinky drink. This is the double chocolate mocha. My absolute fave. The OGs know that's the only coffee that I drink. Yep, this is done too, child. And you already know what I'm finna say. Getting my money's worth. Now let's do some cleaning and organizing. This is my vanity, y'all. I would say don't judge me, but hey, please judge. Well, I won't say please, but judge me. It's a hot mess.
6 hours later.
Now cleaning my makeup brushes. Going in with this Dawn liquid, wetting the brush and using the brush mat to scrub it up on there. This brush here is my foundation brush actually, so it is very dramatic, very not demure, very not considerate. How dirty this is giving. Now I'm fast drying it. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Getting the excess water out of this so that the brush dries faster. By the next morning, this is going to be dry. This was one of the best purchases I've ever made in my life.
Eventually. Later that same evening.
Now I'm preparing an outfit for the next day. This is Milo. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Your girl feels so refreshed and so rejuvenated. Like, I'm not gonna lie, these kind of videos are refreshing and exciting for me to make, because it's like I take care of myself even more. Like I'm loving on myself a little bit more, like I need to be, like I should be. And when I'm done with it, I feel so refreshed, so rejuvenated. I had allergies and I couldn't smell anything, but so my allergies has been to the roof, and after this video I can actually smell again, whereas before I was so congested and my nasal airways were so blocked up and clogged up I couldn't smell nothing. Now it's a little bit better. Like, you see me, like I can take on the day now. I'm rejuvenated, fresh, like get into it. Now allow me to take a moment to bask in this energy.
20 minutes later.
It's a rainy day today. There's no sun, so I'm just wearing cozy loungewear. Me and this hair, we still don't know what we're doing. Like, maybe I should cut it a little bit. But if I start cutting things, then I'm gonna jack it up, and it's not gonna. Then we're definitely gonna have a problem. So I'll just leave it alone. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for staying till the end. I love you big time. I love you down. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, my love. Because yeah, I feel good. I feel good. I feel great. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm feeling a good 8.5. Before this video, I was feeling like a 4 at best. But yeah, you guys, you know the drill. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and yeah, make sure your post notifications is on so you don't miss any of my new videos or anytime I drop. Say hi to the vlog. See you in the next. Thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.